So you can see they're similar, but the 14 karat is a little skinnier, a little thinner. These are both a 6.9. Finally dropped to 70% off. So finally, I decided it was worth buying. Has a very sturdy clasp, very happy with it. This is the free bracelet. I could have gotten the gold-plated bangle, but I don't like plated. I don't like Pandora's yellow gold-plated. I like their rose gold-plated. It wears well. I bought one yellow gold-plated bracelet from them when they were still calling it Pandora Shine, and it's worn off. And so I don't buy any more of their yellow gold-plated bracelets. So even though I could have gotten the more expensive yellow gold-plated, I opted for the sterling silver. I'm not really a heart person, but I'm definitely a moon and star person. On the back, it has a cute little star with cubic zirconia. This is a 7.5. I like the bangles. You can wear them by themselves or with charms. So that's my quick unboxing. I am here at work, so I don't want to take up too much time. I'm very happy with my gold bracelet. I've been eyeballing it, waiting for the price to drop for a very long time. And it's at 70% off, folks. And according to spot price and weight, this is worth the price. Gold is very expensive. I don't think it's going to get any cheaper than this. So, second look. I'm very happy with this. I'm going to put it on my rose gold stack, just so I can wear it out. There we go. I'm wearing this with my 14 and 18 karat gold rose pieces. Seems to go pretty good. It is solid. And the bangle, I'm not going to put on right now, though I am currently wearing a Pandora cuff and my Pandora silver diamond, but I don't want to put more than 4 because I'm wearing 4 and 4, or I might even gift this. I'm not sure. I got it for free. We'll see. Very happy. It really was all about the gold bracelet. Thank you to my friend Alex for texting me and informing me about it being 70% off. I've been waiting forever, and that's it, folks. Have a great Wednesday. Keep it metal.